All right, this is first time adjustment. Cycling all the time, right?
8 hours a week.
8 hours a week, this guy cycling. He's got low back pain. That's his admission ticket into learning about his spine and chiropractic. Here we go. His skull, laterally flex this way. His head and posture, laterally flex that way. We're gonna open it up. This shoulder that's elevated into his neck, because his body's in defense, it's guarding and protecting the postural change that's happening from inside out in his spine. I'm gonna come in here now that his central nervous system's clear, and we're gonna go ahead and adjust that shoulder. Bingo. Big breath in. Exhale.
Taking care of things before the initial problem.
How you feeling now?
I feel like a new man.
Awesome.
Appreciate it.
You got it.